we are going to discuss about networking. That is local area network, wide area network and metropolitan area network. So, first Agarya introduce the topic.
So let me tell the introduction part of the computer networks. So network is mainly used when we send a message. If I send a hi message from me to some other person, or if I transfer a file from one system to another system, the major requirement is the network. So there are two types of networks. One is wired network and wireless network. In wired network, we have WAN, GAN, WAN, MAN, and all. And in wireless network, we have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. These are all used to transfer the data wirelessly. Which will be more efficient means wireless will be more efficient because no data cables are present in it, so cost will be low. But one of the major drawback in transferring the data through network will be data security risks will be occurring, and also so let us take an example. In an IT company, there are HR, finance role, and then administrator. These three of the persons need to transfer each and every file to the company manager or the CEO of the company. So the CEO can't log in every individual system and look after the files. So all of these files must be required in a single document for an CEO of the company. So these can be transferred using the networks. Either we can use wired networks or wireless networks. And also another one example is real-time example is hospital management. And another example we can take it as online classes for assignments. So that's all.
Pooja, you tell about what is LAN and explain it.
LAN stands for local area network. Basically, it is a network that is used in small areas within a diameter of like 30 meters. So it connects multiple devices such as computers, printers, etc. So we can take an example of a computer lab where we have like 30 to 40 systems which are connected through a LAN cable and switch. So it is a very good example of using LAN. Why we are using LAN means there are multiple pros and multiple cons. It is very cost effective where we can share multiple resources efficiently. Then it can be used by multiple vehicles at the same time. If you are using a same printer means a single LAN cable can be connected to a switch. So it will be more efficient as compared to other type of networks. Easy file sharing is another reason. The files can be shared very easily as it is connected in a circular way. So these are the pros, and the cons will be that as the size of the computers or devices are increasing rapidly, the cables which we are using to connect the LAN will be increasing along with this. So it will be a con. So as compared to other types of networks, it will be cheap and along with it will be effective as well.
Ramna, you explain about what is WAN, wide area network.
So I am going to explain about the WAN, wide area network. Wide area network is a network that has the computers and the smaller networks of the long distance like cities, countries or the whole world. It will connect it. And the simple explanation is we can name it as the WAN as the highway systems. In the highway systems, the small roads are meant by the local area networks, and the highway system in highways it will be used as the WAN, local area networks, because it will connect it. It will connect it through the long roads. And why it is connecting means by using the satellite and the telephone lines it will be used it. And the best example is the WAN will be the biggest flex is WAN will be in the internet, examples websites, all other things. And another example is in bank it has the many branches. In one branch itself it has many some other areas, locations, and it will all connect it. In computers also, like 4G, 5G, it will connect it all other whole world, so it will help it.
Obviously, you tell about what is metropolitan area.
Talk about the MAN. It stands of the metropolitan area network. It covers the large areas inside the cities and the towns. It is the bigger than the land and the smaller than the land, and it cover and it is connects the different places such as colleges, buildings, apartments, and within the cities. For example, we have everyone have a TV in their homes, so connects the TVs in the central systems in within the cities, and then it is uses the high communications by using the optic fibers connections for the data transfer fast. Uh,
Satyajri, you tell about what is wireless fidelity. Wi-Fi.
Start.
Satyajri, you tell about what is Wi-Fi networks.
I'm going to tell about the Wi-Fi network. Wi-Fi is the technology that connect the devices like phone, laptops, and mobile phones. It connects the network without wire, so we can easily connect to the internet. It uses the homes and offices and colleges like that. For example, we take the on offices have the problems with their network. Sometimes networks are very slow, so we have to find the routes for the network. So employees couldn't work properly with the network, so we have to find the network, and we found the route was old and the network was very slow. So many devices are connected to the network, so that's why we reduce the network for this too many connections. That's help Wi-Fi works fast and effective. So Wi-Fi connection is more important for every connections.
In this case study video, we discuss about networking, that is wired network and wireless networks. You tell about very. Thank you for sharing your knowledge for case study video.
Thank you. Thank you.